Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Jupyter Notebooks for data analysis, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, make sure you have Jupyter Notebook installed on your computer. You can install Jupyter using Anaconda or by using pip in your command line. Once installed, open Anaconda Navigator or type Jupyter Notebook in your command line to launch Jupyter. Your default web browser will open, displaying the Jupyter dashboard. Navigate to the folder where you want to create your new notebook. Click on the New button and select Python 3 to create a new notebook. You will see an untitled notebook open in a new tab. Rename your notebook by clicking on Untitled at the top. Now, enter a meaningful name related to your data analysis project. To import the necessary libraries, start by typing import pandas as PD in a new cell. Next, you might want to use import numpy as NP to work with arrays. If you need visualization, add import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and import seaborn as SNS. Run the cell by selecting it and pressing Shift plus Enter. Now, let's read a dataset. Use the function pdread_csv, your _file.csv, to import your data. Make sure to replace your _file.csv with the actual file path. This data will be assigned to a variable, such as data. To check the first few rows of your dataset, type data.head in a new cell. Run the cell to view the top entries. Next, to analyze your data, start with descriptive statistics by writing data.describe. For specific columns or data types, you can use data, column under. To visualize data, use plt.figure, figsize satface 10:6 to set the figure size. Then, use a plotting function like sns.countplot, x equals column underscore name, data equals data, to create graphs. As you explore your dataset, consider identifying any missing values using data.isNull.sum. You can clean your data by using methods like data.dropNa or data.fillNa value. Continue performing any necessary data as you progress. Save your notebook regularly by clicking the save icon or pressing Ctrl+S. Once your analysis is complete, it's essential to document your findings. You can add text cells to explain your steps and conclusions. This will make your notebook more understandable for future reference. Finally, you can export your notebook as a PDF for sharing by going to File, then Download as, and selecting your preferred format. This detailed guide should help you get started with using Jupyter Notebooks for data analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.